Like you got superpowers. Turn my minutes into hours. You got more than 20/20, babe. Maybe that's the way you see through me. You know me better than I know. Can't seem to keep nothing from you. How'd you touch myself from the outside? Permeate my ego and my pride. I wanna love me the way that you love me. Ooh, follow my granny. Follow my money too. I like to see me from your point of view. I wanna touch me the way that you touch me. Nobody ever be like you do. I like to see me from your point of view. I'm getting used to receiving, still getting good at not leaving. You know I'm scared, learning to be grateful for myself. Skills is there, things we've always been afraid of. I'm starting to subside, learning to believe that it's mine. I wanna love me the way that you love me. Ooh, follow my granny, follow my honey too. I love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me the way that you trust me. Nobody ever loves me like you do. I love to see me from your point of view. I couldn't believe it, seeing it for myself. I mean, hate, but now I'm really falling, frozen, slowly, falling. Got me right, let me keep it waiting, my back is safely. My eyes can see me, I'm trying to follow. Oh, I wanna love me the way that you love me. Ooh, follow my granny, follow my honey too. I like to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me, baby, the way that you trust me. Nobody ever loves me like you do. I like to see me from your point of view. That was really good, except I didn't know any of the words. So, give me a like for trying. Thank you.